So I'm hoping this video might save somebody out there 2 hours of time like it would have me if it existed. So you may find a video or two out there about how to change the cabin air filter for a 2009 Beetle convertible even. They'll show you some nice picture and they'll see the picture will end up being like something like this and like, oh yeah, remove that piece, remove all these things down here, and then right there in the gap you'll see this. Well, guess what, guys? This is empty. It's a mesh. There is no filter. Volkswagen decided not to put a filter on this model. This is a 2009 Beetle convertible. There is no filter. AutoZone, Advance, and O'Reilly will all tell you that here's the filter that you need, because that's what their computers say. But if you look at this and you look at that, no, that doesn't fit. In fact, I found a post somewhere on a VW site, fan site, that said they replaced it with these mesh filters and there is no cloth filter. So unless you want to take 2 hours a year to cut one of these down to size, fit it in there, only to have it clog up, really, just forego that, dudes. If I saved you any time, give me a comment down below. Now I'm going to put it all back together.